The Napoleon P500 Gourmet Grill Series lives up to its reputation for quality and innovation. Featuring the P500 model, a rear burner model, and an impressive rear burner model with an integrated infrared SIZZLE-ZONE side burner. The R S I B model features a rear stainless steel rotisserie burner on the inside for rotisserie cooking, locking in juices for restaurant quality results. Napoleon's electronic jet fire ignition system fires up 4 stainless steel bottom burners for a controlled flame, great coverage, and even distribution of heat. Heat that's nicely contained under a classic heavy-duty Napoleon roll-top lid. Plus, there's an AccuProbe temperature gauge to measure the interior temperature. An integrated SIZZLE-ZONE infrared side burner adds powerful B T Us and an additional cooking space, locking in juices for restaurant quality results. Large porcelainized cast iron reversible wave cooking grids that hold and transfer heat for the perfect sear. And chrome-plated warming racks offer further rust resistance and added quality. The Napoleon P500 Gourmet Grill Series is backed by the President's limited lifetime warranty and is available in natural gas or propane models and in stainless steel or with porcelain enamel black doors and lid. Available at an authorized Napoleon dealer near you.